Hi guys, welcome back. Real quick one for you here today. This applies to either battery booster boxes or to battery chargers, either which way. Not always as straightforward as you may think. Now on this Golf, no problem at all. You can just pop the battery box off and I've got access to the positive and negative terminal. Pretty straightforward to connect them to the battery booster box or the charger, but what happens if you don't have access to both terminals? So this V70 here is a case point. In this case, the battery is in the boot. Here it is. Now, in this case, we could get at both terminals, but not always that easy. In the case of this XC90, for instance, you're going to need sockets to get this bad boy out. It's contained inside a plastic box. Now, back to the V70. What we have here is the satellite fuse box. By the side of it, you notice this little panel here. That lifts up, and connected there is a wire that goes straight to the positive terminal on the battery, regardless of the fact that this is in the boot, or in the case of Mercedes, for instance, under the driver's seat and inaccessible, or in the case of Peugeots, for instance, you just can't get at the negative terminal. You'll always be able to get at the positive terminal, and what you've got to remember is that every metal part of your car is connected to the negative terminal. So you can just pop the positive onto there, grab hold of any of these nuts and bolts, any part of the engine, whatever it's going to be, as long as it's metal, it should be connected. So here, for instance, all of these bits are going to be earthed back to the negative terminal. So once you've got your terminals connected, either to the terminals on the battery with the crocodile clips there, red to positive, black to negative, or to the positive terminal and a part of the bodywork somewhere, or the positive terminal connector under the bonnet for an alternative mounting of the battery where it's not under the bonnet itself. You basically connect them red to positive, black to negative, switch your power on, and make sure that this is in a position where it can't fall over, because as soon as the engine starts rattling, that's going to go for a Burton.